There's a garage. Well, I wouldn't call them a garage, but they're called Cars, spelt CARRS BC. Now, I used to trade as BC Cars, and I've still got the email address. I've still got a website. This is before me and John chucked in together. And this firm advertises on Facebook. There's no telephone number. So it's just Cars BC on Facebook. They've got all these different cars, and there's people Googling them to find a telephone number to ring them up about these cheap cars. And of course they come up with BC Cars, so they're ringing me and my phone is red hot. But why would you buy a car off Facebook, off somebody that's not got an address, not got a garage, don't put the telephone number on, and you've got no means to contact them afterwards? You know, it's all done by messaging. A few weeks go down. What's to stop them just changing the name on Facebook and your warranty is null and void? Why would you do it? We've been here for 20 years. You know, if you do that, you're a victim. You will be a victim. And you've only got yourself to blame. Go and buy a cheap car off Facebook, and then, you know, in a few months' time, when you've got to scrap it and go and buy you know, you'll think you were a victim, but you weren't. You were stupid. On that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da. GoPro, stop recording.